Okay, so number 4, we need to bring everything to one side. So we're going to add the 4x squared to both sides of the equation, and we do have like terms here. So 8x squared plus 4x squared is 12x squared plus 15 equals, those will cancel out, and we just have 5. Now I need to bring the 5 over, so I'm going to subtract 5, and I have 12x squared plus 10 equals 0. Remember, it has to be equal to 0. Now, my a is 12, because that's how many x squareds I have. But my b is 0 because I have no x's. And my c is 10. Remember, it's ax squared plus b is how many x's I have, plus c equals 0. Now, we have x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Are you sick of the song yet? So negative b is negative 0 plus or minus the square root of b squared is 0 squared, which is 0, minus 4 times a is 12 times c is 10 all over 2 times a is 12. So we have 0 plus or minus. Now we have 0 minus 4 times 12 is 48 times 10 is 480 all over 2 times 12 is 24. So we are looking at plus and minus the square root of negative 480 all over 24. Now we need a perfect square that goes into negative 480. That would be 16, and 16 goes in 30 times, and don't forget about that negative 1, and this is all over 24. So plus and minus, the square root of 16 is 4, the square root of negative 1 is I, and I don't know the square root of 30, and there's no perfect square that goes into that, all over 24. We can simplify this because 4 goes into 4 once, and 4 goes into 24 6 times, so we have plus or minus 1i radical 30 all over 6, and that is our x value. There's number 4.